Hello everybody, this is Juan from Novecel. Today I'm gonna explain to you guys how to fix the touch problem for Samsung S7 Edge. Come closer. This is the S7 Edge screen LCD. We already took the polarizer off. If you want to know how we did it, so you can just contact us for the more details how to took the polarizer off. So this is the glass, the front glass with the digitizer, the touch panel additional. Okay, actually you can buy from us these products. This is the Olga, the LCA. Actually we ordered from the factory especially for this, because this is 125 million. Normally you say on the internet or you're in the market is 250 million. So this is just the half of the thickness of the normal one. So this is we order from the our supplier. So you just you can see this is Novecel and this is 125 mil. So just be aware. So now let's start this process. Okay. So this is the luxury, the rubber base, the rubber. So I don't have to explain to you guys. Okay, this is for S7 Edge. So just make sure every side is accurate. Okay. Be aware. So as I said, every corner. So you have to be like. Let's use this strong sticker. Okay, this is the glass with additional touch. So firstly we're gonna put the Olga on it. Okay, so now we just turn on the just be careful. Yeah, one more time, we have to reset the machine. Okay, you have to reset it. Okay, now it's okay. Now this is the because this is for the OCA, so you have to choose one. So enter 50 seconds, 35, 30. It's okay, so I don't have to adjust it. So now everything is okay. 0.5 and also the setting is okay. Just press the OK, laminating. Now wait for minutes. Now this is the LCD, so you cannot use the 9555 for the iPhone. Also, you cannot use the contact cleaner. I mean the 966 neither. So you have to use this is the special liquid we just made a few days ago. With this one you will not harm break the LCD. So but now we don't have I mean the mature product. So I don't have a code. I don't even have a code for this product, because now they replaced the LCD with a touch. The polarizer is still a new thing. So for most of them are new themes, so we still don't have the code for this. So after we have the code, I'm gonna make a video to tell you guys what's the code for this liquid. But now if you need it, so you can contact us. We can sell you this. This is what we use every day. So very safe for the S7 Edge screen. Now let's check how's the results. See? The Olga every corner is perfect, aligned, perfectly aligned. No, see, no bubble at all. Okay, now we just keep it for the later use. Okay, I'm gonna put the okay, now we need the LCD. The LCD is here. So the motherboard, I just need to test it, so make sure it's okay. So now this screw is okay, it's without any problem. So we need a touch, we have to replace it. This motherboard is very slow. Okay, I'm sure this one is okay. I'm sure this one is okay, so just the okay, now you have to clean it. This liquid is so important, so don't use contact cleaner. You're gonna break the LCD. Just slightly wipe it, just like I said before. Slightly wipe it, because this is a very BS7 edge. All the edge screens are very fragile, vulnerable. So you may break it so easily. You can, if you fix it, you can make a lot of money. But also, if you break it, you're gonna lose a lot of money. Especially in China, this screen, the price of this screen is kind of high. You know, this cleaning thing, you have to use a lot of patience. So no rush at all. Okay. So now this is the we already have the glass on it, and also the OC, so the polarizer. So this glass already has the comes with the digitizer, this touch, and also the already applied the organics. So we put it here, so use your finger to make sure it sticks very well. Okay, so now you can do like this. Just be careful. No rush, just no rush, okay? See? Make sure no dust on it. If any dust, so you have to make sure no dust on it. Okay, now it's perfect. Now we put it inside. This is for the LCD, so you have to adjust it here. This is the LCD set 2. So now it's 35, 20, 45, 27. So here we just put it for 25 seconds, okay? And So here I would like to always put a little bit longer, 35. So the pressure we have to adjust it for a bit lower, at most 0.3, but I would like to put it 0.25. I think is not gonna be okay. Okay, it's perfect. Now you just press the LCD laminate and wait for another 1 minute. You can subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, you can just send us a message or just leave us comments or just call me. So I personally speak English and Spanish. So if you send me another language, Portuguese, French, so I also have another employees that can speak those two languages. So also Russian, we can handle it. So if you would like to speak with us with your own language, just go ahead, don't be hesitant to contact us. For us, language is not a problem. Also the technical stuff is not a problem. I have several technicians here, so they can help me. Also, we can help you to solve the problem. Okay, now let's say how's the results. Check. No bubble at all. Check every corner. No bubble, no bubble, no bubble, no bubble, and no bubble at all. So this is very beautiful. It's a perfect job. Okay. So now I would like to test it as well. I just saw some videos on the internet. They don't test it. I don't know why they don't test it. Because if they don't test it, so just wait a second. I've seen a lot of videos on the internet. No matter whether it's an iPhone or like Samsung S6 Edge or 7 Edge, they just do the whole process without a testing. So if without testing, I can do any video that I want, because I don't care if the screen is okay or not okay. So don't trust those people who don't even test the LCD. So they may break the LCD, but you don't know, you never know, because they didn't test it. Okay, now because no touch, so you just can say the color, everything. Okay. See, it's perfect. It's perfect. Check. Now what we have to do? Now what we have to do is, you see. Now we have to just solder the flex together. I know for some of you guys this is kind of difficult because you don't have the flex machine. So here in China we have to use the flex machine to solder it. Then this screen, this LCD will be working like a new one. Okay, thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Send us a message or subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.